So, friends, today we are here and today we are going to talk about something special. Most of the people I have ever seen, they really don't like math, right? Math is a very creative subject. If you ever seen it from at a vision point of view, the whole our whole world is dependent on math. So the nature speak about math. If you ever notice about how the tree make their food within the leaves, and you ever seen the leaves which are arranged by themselves to getting the proper sunlight at each and every leaf at every particular time. So if you ever seen, that is the arrangement of the nature, and that is also a magic of math, right? And there are more some different part of you. If I'm going to tell you, there will be a lot of thing right now, but I want to give you some simple thing that you can ever do to be better in your skills, or in solving the problems or whatever you might have, right? So you have to just keep that some basic point in your mind, and you have to just start working on your subject or anything, right? For any subject you have to do it right. So the very first point is, whenever you are doing math, you have to just give the 100% focus, right? Because if your mind is getting switching or divert into lots of stuff which is going around you, and that will be not effective the more percent, rather than you have to just stop it, rather than go away or do something else and then come back with a fresh mind and start again, right? But don't get interrupt with some little stuff or doing something else, because you want that 100% focus, right? I want you to build that routine of your making a specific time, and at a day, or whenever you want, wherever you are free, whenever you are doing the stuff. I don't care, whenever you wake up or anytime, but you have to do it 100% of your focus. You have to give it. Once you do this, you have to just in the very basic thing in math is, you have to just remember some formulas, or whatever your lessons may be, or whatever you are learning. I was learning about double integration or triple integration, and also learning about higher order differential equation, and some also linear differential and non-exact and exact differential equation. It is amazing subject, right? And there are also double integration. If you see, there is some basic questions, and then you have to just understand the basic formulas, because once you understand the basic, you can easily achieve that good part, and you can easily be at some point, right, at some level, and you can easily solve that any question in whatever may come in your way, right? You have to remember the basic, you have to clear your basic, right? You have to just make things clear with yourself. And the very first thing, next thing, third point is what you have to keep remember. It is the most important thing in all of this, right? You have to just practice daily, because math is the only subject which it you may get better day by day, and it is a process, right? You can't have that overnight success, right? That's you have to develop your skills. You have to problem, you learn the problem, you have understand, you have to just analyze the problem, and what you're going, that is always keep working in your mind, right? So that coming on your paper or anything whatever you are doing, right? Your practice is must, right? Give how much amount of time you can start with 30 minutes or anything whatever you want. You can just start and you can just do it, right? Because once you do it over and over again, you have that upper handed, you have that spend the time which you have learning the new things, right? So you have to put in that work, right? The period amount of work, that hard work you have to put in, right? Because daily practice can easily achieve it, right? You have the every small step when you make it is so easy to climb 10 floors of anything, right? So you have to just take every day a small step to learning new things, or anything in your life. You have to just taking a small step, right? And that's where you make the growth. And the very last and most important thing, right, what you learn you have to teach others, because once you learn something and once you try to teach others, the if you ever see the teacher who are getting more perfect, they are teaching the same amount of time, same period, same thing, right? You have to just repeat it over and over again. If you are learning one concept, go and teach to others, because once you teach, then you make it more clear towards you, because once you make it so easy to understand to your own self to teach others, right? That is the basic thing, because once you teach them, that will be more, you will get clear in your mind, because every good student is a great teacher. Good student is a good teacher or great teacher. If you ever seen them, they practice a lot, they teach them others like very simple, in a very simple language, the friends will get understand within a second, right? That's where the moment come in your time. You have to just make teach. You have to be the teacher. I don't want you to be the professional teacher, but explain some whatever you learn, go and explain, or you can explain to yourself, right? Anything you can, you, and that will help you a lot. These four steps may going to change, yeah, the result, right? And hope that you like this video and just keep working on it, and see you in next moment.